If you want to create a clean professional biodata in Microsoft Word, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, from opening a blank document to formatting your biodata so it looks neat, simple, and presentable. This is perfect for job applications, personal profiles, school submissions, or any time you need a well-organized biodata document fast. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple Microsoft Word guides. Now, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. This gives you a clean page to build your biodata from scratch. Once your document is open, the first thing you want to add is the title. Type the word Biodata at the top of the page, then highlight it, center align it, make it bold, and increase the font size to around 18 or 20 so it stands out clearly. A strong title helps the document look more formal and easy to read. Next, you'll add your section headings. Common headings include personal details, education, and skills. Type each heading on its own line and make sure they are bold so they clearly separate each part of the biodata. This makes the document easier to scan and gives it a proper structure. After that, start entering your personal details under the personal details section. Include information like your full name, date of birth, address, phone number, email address, nationality, marital status, or any other details you want to include depending on the purpose of the biodata. Keep the wording simple and accurate. If you want, you can format the labels and values neatly by using colons after each label, such as name, date of birth, and address. Now move on to the education section. Here, you can list your qualifications in order, starting from the most recent. For example, include the name of the school or college, the course or stream, the year of completion, and any relevant grades if needed. If you are making the biodata for a formal application, try to keep this section short and clear. Then add the skills section. This can include computer skills, communication skills, typing skills, languages, or any other relevant abilities. Again, keep it concise and professional. Once all your content is added, the next step is formatting. Make sure there is enough spacing between each section so the biodata does not look crowded. Use clean alignment, keep the headings consistent, and make sure the text is easy to read. You can also adjust the font to something simple like Arial or Times New Roman for a more professional look. Avoid using too many colors or decorative fonts unless the biodata is meant to be creative or personal. If needed, you can also use bullet points or a simple table layout to organize the details more clearly. But for a standard biodata, a simple text layout often looks best. Before saving, review everything carefully for spelling mistakes, missing information, or uneven spacing. A small formatting mistake can make the document look unprofessional, so take a moment to check the final layout. When everything looks good, go to File, click Save As, choose the folder where you want to keep the document, and save it as a .docx file. That way you can easily edit it later if needed. And that's how you create a biodata in Microsoft Word in a clean and simple way. It only takes a few minutes once you know the steps, and the result can look very professional. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Microsoft Word tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.